it's Darby from rejoiceandcreate.com, and going with the Christmas in July theme, I have a treat pouch for you. And this pouch is sized to either hold hot cocoa or these little mug cakes that are available in the store, and you can get them 4 in a box. And this is a really nice one, Duncan Hines, because it actually has the directions right on the back of the pouch, so it really makes a nice gift. Now if you use the other one, which is Betty Crocker, they don't have the directions in the pouch. So what I would do is I would actually copy those directions and include a copy tucked in the pouch as well, so they know how to make their cake. One thing that the Betty Crocker does have that the Duncan Hines didn't is icing, which is always really nice, and you can tuck that in the pouch too. Alright, so this pouch actually is a little bit of an unusual shape. I don't know if you can see that in there, but it actually tucks in on the side. There's a 1/4 of an inch lip on all sides, and it kind of gives it a fun shape, as well as the double-sided paper turning the cuff down, which gives you contrast. Now to create this, you just need a piece of 6 by 12 inch pattern paper, and you can use double or single-sided. Just decide which side you want the pattern on, because the one that's on the inside will actually turn over and be the cuff. Let me show you how to make it. Alright, so with a 6 inch by 12 inch piece of paper, with the 12 inside up, go ahead and score it at 1 inch, 5 3/4 of an inch, 6 1/4 of an inch, and 11 inches. Alright, let's go ahead and turn that. And we're going to go ahead and score it at 3/4 of an inch, and 5 1/4 of an inch on this side, and then we're going to flip it over, and on the back side we're going to score it at 1/2 inch and 5 1/2 inches. And that actually does help with the scoring, with the folding of that, because we'll be folding these in 2 different directions. Okay, so let's go ahead and fold and burnish our score lines, and what we'll do is fold the cuffs. Now I want the polka dotted side to be on the outside, and I want this black to be my cuff. So go ahead and fold that over. Same with the other end. And we'll go ahead and fold the bottom. Make sure your sides are lined up. Okay, and now what we'll do is go ahead and fold the sides, and on that 3/4 of an inch fold, you want that to fold to the inside, but on that 1/2 inch fold, we're actually going to fold it back the other way. So take a moment and take your time and get that fold lined up, because those will be the sides of the bag, and that's what gives it kind of an unusual shape on the sides. Okay, so this is what you have, and we'll do that on the other side too. The 3/4 of an inch fold folds in, a 1/2 inch fold folds out. I don't have a pattern one way or the other, so it doesn't matter which one, but on the back side we want to go ahead and cut out that last rectangle on both corners. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to fold the cuff over and glue it. And I'm using Tombow Extreme. And we'll do that to the other side as well. Now this, we're going to do the whole cuff, because we did not cut any of it off. And again, this is the front side. And I'll go ahead and fold that over. I'm going to go ahead and burnish this well, and I'm going to go ahead and reinforce my score lines with the cuff there. Okay, so now on the sides we have those 2 score lines, which actually would be the bottom. Go ahead and cut in on the rectangle side and just notch slightly into the little square, and that'll be the bottom tab. Same on this side. I'm sorry if you hear a humming. Actually, we're filling our pool up with water and the well pump keeps kicking in, so I apologize about that. Hopefully it's not too distracting. All right, so what we're going to do, it's going to be hard to see on that black side, so I'm going to show it to you on this side, although we're putting the tape on that one. On this 1/4 inch segment, we're going to run a piece of tape all the way down, and I'm using some of the, I think it's slightly more than 1/4 inch, but the tearable tape. And what you want to do is you want to stick close inside that the half inch score line. So what you're going to do is you're going to butt it up to the 1/2 inch score line, and it doesn't matter if you go over a little bit on the 3/4 inch score line because they're going to fold that way anyway. So I know it's hard to see, but all the way down on the side, go ahead and just fill that 1/4 inch and make sure that the tape stays inside that 1/2 inch score line all the way down. And as I said, it doesn't matter if it's over on the 3/4 inch score line because we're going to fold it that way anyway, so having a little glue on there won't make a difference. Might actually make it stronger. Again, on the other side, just put it right inside that 1/2 inch score line. Okay, and we'll go ahead and take that off. And go ahead and fold that right over. And that's what's going to give us that 1/4 inch lip on this side as well. Okay. All right, so the one that has the cuff all the way back is the front side. So what we're going to do is on the inside of those sides, we'll go ahead and put some more tape as well. And just on the outside of those 2 little tabs, I'm going to put some as well, just to hold it up. Okay. All right, so to put this together, just go ahead and take those 2 little tabs off. And you go ahead and take your other strips off as well. And go ahead and we'll put this one up and just stick the tabs to the bottom. Like that. And then we'll bring these over. The front side will come around and stick to the side of the back side panels. Just make sure your top is lined up. Same with the other side. All right. Go ahead and get your finger in there and press it together. Honestly, I think that makes a fun little shape for a hot cocoa pouch or the mug cake pouch. Or you could fit a few of the Starbucks lattes in there as well. That would be fun as well. And if you wanted to put a handle on it, actually you could cut a couple of ovals to make a little bit of a handle and glue it on there, and that would look pretty cute too. But for this time, I'm just going to go ahead and decorate, and actually pulled one of my little penguins off from my other pouch, as well as I stamped "You're So Sweet, Enjoy a Treat" as well, and backed it on some black. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on. Ooh, I almost forgot the best part, which is the mug cake. So let me go ahead and put that up there. And you can decorate, of course, any way you want to. Jingle bells, ribbons, all kinds of stickers. Whatever sentiment you want. And it actually makes a nice size pouch. The inside is 4 inches by 1/2 inch, so it fits most of these pouch type of drinks. And just to finish this one off, I'm going to go ahead and use some metallic shapes. And let's see, where are my stars? Alright, so I think that's a pretty sweet tree pouch. Kind of a nice little unusual shape for them. They turn out so well. Now I don't have any of the 6x8 cellophane bags left over, but I believe this will fit into there if you need to package it up for a craft fair. I hope you enjoyed my project today. A quick but a little bit unusual hot cocoa pouch or mug cake pouch. As I said, you could certainly put a handle on the side if you wanted to, which would look really cute. Make it look like a mug. So if you liked the video, please subscribe. And you can hit the bell notification to be notified when I upload new videos. If you need more information, please go to rejoiceandcreate.com. And as always, until we meet again, I hope your days are blessed. Bye!